moriwo koda ka twe e jela. Simprose Okinda miyowa safar mar midhiero ma Raila Odinga osekale.
But I'm here as the African lion. I've been asleep in the jungles of the Congo, but now I'm awake, and I'm sitting on African gold, African oil, African diamond.
Niki tuantaiti, Niki taiti, Niki tuantaiti.
Ejela mashimo la tewa Mombasa. Mae mane para Raila Odinga higa mar 1982. Ne oyudo make wite mogolo mane en jatend piny e kinde no, Daniel Toroitich Arap Moi jotelo, e wi ni notiyo ne jo Kenya gi ang'enge. Raila notwe kod joma moko kamoting'o George Anyona, Martin Shikuku kachiel koda Jane Sirone. Mabus machielo koigi wa Wamwere noyudo dar e jela Mamanyani.
I was taken to Shimolatewa. I found a team, people who had gone into detention before me. And Raila was among them. I was happy to meet fellow detainees because I was no longer as lonely as when I was alone.
Ikine mamagi dhi nyime, dala gi Raila anyuola ne chuny gi dang'ni. Jaramogi nomanyo tim mar okinde ma pod tindo kamoting'o Kiraitu Murungi mondo ringo dhi Shimolatewa kendo ne ka Raila ne pod ngima.
His father, Ramogi Oginga, approached our law firm and to try and, find out about the welfare of his son and all that. At the moment we met him at Shimolatewa, Raila was on hunger strike. I think he had not eaten for a few days. He was a bit emaciated. And he had said, you'll rather die rather than eat the insect-infected food.
Ekinde Raila noramo ni ok ocham gimoro amora e jela, gimomiyo chal mar ngimane ne medo bedo marach.
I remember asking him, what do you think Moi will think if you die? Are you not giving yourself as a present? And you better alive so that you can continue the struggle. And we had engagement with the officer in charge and other prison people, and they agreed to improve his food.
Temo loko ten Moi manotimore higa mar 1982 nobwogo piny. Temo gole telo gi thuon nomiyo Moi olokore jatelo mager kendo kawo okenge makech ne jogo duto mane temo pinge kamoting'o twech maonge nonro. Raila Odinga nobedo achiel kuom joma ne imako sate.
Raila was also subjected sometimes to worse torture than the rest of us. Like when he was kept at the GSU headquarters, and he was thoroughly tortured. And I have heard it said that he was hit. If you looked at Raila, you would see sometimes his eyes would be watering. And I understand that came from being hit in the face with a chair by one of the people who were perpetrating torture against him.
Raila was a very determined person, and he's not a person to give up. Even from detention, you'd have expected somebody to be cowed by those harsh detention conditions. But Raila still came out fighting.
Certainly he was not an armchair politician. He wanted action. I think that was very unique about him.
Ebwoten Moi Raila notwe kuom higni mohewo aboro. Magi duto ne ok obwogo wuod Odinga. Togole jele higni mag 90, Raila noriwre kod joma moko kama ne gidhire lokruoge mopogore, gima nochuno Moi mondo yie piny Kenya obed kod duond buche mohewo achiel. kendo yiene piny Kenya mondo obed kod demokrasia mar duond buche mathoth. Dwe mar 12 higa mar 1991, Moi nogo bade piny kendo yie dwaro mag Raila.
No sooner voices came that they wanted government of national unity. Then I asked myself, why did we not remain in one party?
Yiero mag duond buche manobagi higa mar 1992 noyawne Raila ranga paw siasa. Raila noloko kar chung'od bura ma Lang'ata mane ni kod oganda matara kinde no kaka otandane mar siasa. Kanyo nobedo jaod bura maonge ng'ama chache kuom thuolo moyawo higni 20 moling' thi. Raila notiyo kod od bura e kedo ne lokruoge ne piny Kenya.
In Parliament, I think what is unique about Raila was that he was able to continue with his reform credentials, very progressive politics, but at the same time, undertake developmental issues in a very difficult constituency.
Ataro mar kaka ni paro, Raila noduogo wuoyo duond buche wuon kendo riwre kod duond bura mar KANU e gima jokanyo ne luongo ni lokruok e paro.
The very foundation of our social fabric upon which we as a nation is woven together was under immense threat of being torn apart.